Today, I'm going to share with you a way to buy cheap PLCs in Japan. So, in Japan, there's a website for second-hand goods called Mercari. Here, you'll just type in the keyword PLC. When you type in the keyword PLC, you can see that this website sells a lot of PLCs, for example, Q-series PLCs, and PLCs from the brand. Additionally, there are many Siemens PLCs that they sell from time to time. And I've also managed to buy a Siemens PLC. The PLC Series 1 board is the S7-1200 DC with a 1215C CPU. Here you can see I was able to buy this PLC series. So as you can see in the picture, this PLC is a brand new one that hasn't been used, and they've listed it here for sale. And if you're quick, you can buy this PLC. You can see the specifications on this PLC. This is the 1215C CPU series. The power supply is 24V. Next, here we have the standard digital inputs, digital outputs, and the integrated analog communications. Additionally, you can see with this PLC I bought, it was a brand new PLC, but I bought it for a second-hand price. That's why the price of this PLC was very cheap. Here, additionally, when they sell something, they will also list in detail any faults or specific information about this PLC. So you can check it out, and only after you've reviewed that information should you buy. That's why the information is quite detailed. And now, let's see if there are any other PLCs. Here, you'll mainly find PLC series from Japanese brands. For example, the Q-series PLC, Siemens PLCs, Omron PLCs, lots of other PLC brands. So, as you can see, I've found this PLC. It's a Q-series PLC, model Q04UDH CPU. So, they're selling this PLC for 16,000 yen. 16,000 yen is equivalent to just over $100, so you can buy it for a bit more than $100. And here they also detail the information. For example, this PLC comes with a base module, a power supply module, a CPU module, and an input and output module. And here they've also clearly written, "Thank you for viewing our product." So here, the features of this product are still working well. And they've confirmed that these features are working well. And here they've also confirmed that they've tested and checked the power supply module and everything, and it's all okay. They also add here that this is a second-hand product. That's why it's intended for personal use. So you might want to look into it when buying this PLC series. I think this PLC is quite cheap too. A PLC with an internet port, an Ethernet communication port, for just over $100. I reckon that's pretty cheap. And you can also see here the photos they provided from their tests. See, it's very detailed. They've tested each module thoroughly. And in addition, there are many other automation products that you can search for on this website. There are also these cables and PLC series from brands like Siemens. So these are mainly PLC series from Japanese brands. As for brands like Siemens from Germany, they usually only pop up from time to time. They're not always available. Alright, so in this video, I've shown you how to find and buy cheap PLCs in Japan. I hope this video has been helpful. Thanks for watching.